Hey there, Buccaneers! The Pirate Cove Show is beginning in about 3 sailor minutes. In your lingo, that would be 3 minutes. Shiver me timbers! 3 minutes! I better see some crew over at the curtain, or I'ma toss Freddy and his merry band in Davy Jones's locker. Or worse. I'll start asking for raises! Yar, that's right! That got your attention! I'll see you we landlubbers over there! Hey there, Buccaneers! The Pirate Cove Show is beginning in about 3 sailor minutes. In your lingo, that would be 3 minutes. Shiver me timbers! 3 minutes! I better see some crew over at the curtains, or I'ma toss Freddy and his merry band in Davy Jones's locker. Or worse. I'll start asking for raises! Yeah.
Viewing of this tape is prohibited. Discard it immediately. Viewing of this tape is prohibited. Discard it immediately. Viewing of this tape is prohibited. Discard it immediately. Viewing of this tape is prohibited.
What's the matter, Foxy? I thought you wanted an audience.